After a long cold winter, it sure is refreshing to see the return of the robins, and not hard to miss are the calls of the geese as they migrate back to the north. And every spring, wood ducks return for breeding season, and I make it my annual ritual to make a visit to a little city park to photograph my favorite waterfowl. The male wood ducks like to show off for the ladies, and once they are successful getting a mate, they will remain with the same mate for the entire breeding season. However, they are not known to mate for life. I was shooting with a 400-2.8 with a 1.4 converter, giving me a 560 f4. And although I couldn't get right down to the water level because of the location, I was able to lay comfortably on my belly to get the lens as close as possible to the water surface and get a few shots. Although there are much more exciting adventures that I could be out on, at least I have an easily accessible place to go while I recover from back surgery, and just always enjoy coming here each spring. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. And until next time, take care.